Hello, I'm Daniel Baird from Freedom Creative Solutions, and I want to show off an amazing material that we can print and cut. We can contour cut to any shape. It's called VersaTex, and what makes it amazing is it goes up on the wall, it can come down probably 100 different times, it can go on a smooth wall like this, it can go on a textured wall, it can even go outside and stick to brick. It's just amazing, and it's easy to remove, and it's a matte, so it does well underneath lights. It doesn't reflect a lot of light, so it's perfect for inside. And let me demonstrate how to install a large piece of this. What I'm doing is I'm exposing the adhesive side, and I about forgot to do something very important, so let me do that. You also should take a lint-free cloth and wipe your wall to get any kind of dust off. That'll very important for adhesives to not have a lot of dust underneath them. Now, I have revealed a good bit of the adhesive top here, and what I'm going to do, I've put a piece of tape on my wall, and I've marked where I want the center of this to be, and I've also put my tape up level so I can use it as a level, an indicator of level, so I can get my graphic on the wall nice and level. Okay, now all I'm going to do is roll this backing down a bit more. Then I'm going to go back up to the top here, straighten it out. You see how it just popped right off? No problem. And make sure I'm nice and straight with my tape. Okay, I'm going to take my squeegee. We can provide these as well if you don't have your own. And then I'm going to start applying, and if you'll notice, I try to work any of the bubbles and stuff like that out to the side. I try not to get any kind of crinkles in it. Any of the texture of the wall is going to show through, but on a textured wall, that's actually a positive. It makes the graphic that much more interesting. So I am just working the graphic down to the wall, and you see right there I had a place that I didn't like. We had a little wrinkle in it, so I just lifted it up, pulled it back down. You can hear the backing crackling. This stuff has a stiff backing. It is a really high quality material, and it can be considered a permanent part of your wall, but the beauty, because it'll stay up for years and years and years, no problem. But the beauty of it is when you're ready to take it down, it comes down and it doesn't take any paint with it. It doesn't harm your walls in any way. Actually, probably serves to protect them from UV. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this backing completely. Toss it over to the side. And then I will go back over this with a fine-tooth comb, but you get the idea. And I'll go back over it, make sure I didn't miss any spots. But that's it. That's VersaTex, one of the most amazing fabrics, printable fabrics I've ever seen.